One of the facts of life that we all have to deal with is that eventually we will die. Many people don't like to think about their death, as if not thinking about it will help postpone it. But unfortunately, it is something that we all will have to deal with sooner or later. There are steps that you should take to plan for the time when you are no longer able to do things for yourself. Most people are familiar with a will. The will is what takes place after you have died and gives guidance as to what you want to have happen with your assets. If you have minor children, your will designate who you want to be the guardian for your children or for the trustees of the assets that you're leaving for the benefit of your children. Your will also designate at what point you want your children to be able to take their assets outright. But a will is only the first step in doing any type of planning for your future. There are two other documents that you should also have as part of your estate planning package. One is an advanced medical directive. This is a device where you will designate someone to be your medical care representative to make those decisions as regarding your medical care when you are unable to make them for yourself. Another advanced planning tool that you'll need to have will be a power of attorney. I highly recommend that everyone have what is called a springing power of attorney. What this is it gives somebody the right to take over all of your financial affairs, your bank accounts, your bills, your tax returns, all of those things that you need to take care of, but it only goes into effect when your doctor certifies that you are no longer capable of doing these things for yourself. I held a springing power of attorney for my parents for many years, and since they were fully capable of taking care of their affairs themselves, we never exercised it until it reached the point where they were no longer capable of handling their affairs, and then I was quickly and easily able to take over so that I could manage all their finances for them. You need to have both a power of attorney and an advanced medical care directive, because a power of attorney will not cover medical issues, and the advanced medical directive applies only to medical issues. So you need to have both tools to take care of those things when you're no longer able to take care of them yourself. And then you need to have the will so that your desires as to what happens with your assets are carried out once you have passed away. It's not a pleasant thing to think about, but we can help make this process as pleasant as possible for you. Give us a call today at 757-320-2010, and we'll help make sure that you have all of your wishes carried out.